So, guys, how you doing? I'm gonna get straight into this because my timer has not much to go, so it's gonna be a short vlog today. Okay, let me just get into this. It's crazy guys. Angry people getting angry at people driving motorbikes. Here we go. I don't know sorry about the sound. It's pretty shit. Pretty shit sounding. Sorry. Oh, did you see that? So, bam. Straight into the helmet. Yep. He's driving. Nice bike, I say. Oh. Oh, it's a punch-up. Oh, he's running. Oh, he's running. Oh. What the fuck is on, bro? What is he on? What the fuck is? So, I have a motorbike, but I don't drive like that. That is just savage. Oh wait, he's speeding up now. Why is he he just stopped in the middle of the fucking road. Heard that? Sucked in, boy. Okay, guys. So that's like my second vlog, guys. Today, well, not today. Well, today, yeah. Yeah. So let's see the time. Yeah. Yeah. So I found this chair, actually, ages ago. It's actual sick. It's actual lit. I love it. Give it a spin. Look at this, shit, bruh. This shit is lit. Alright. I gotta end it here, guys. I gotta end it here. Stay lit. Always try. And yeah. Oh, that's my dog. So yeah. Always try, never give up. And yeah. Be happy.